Hello everyone, so welcome to my next video, and as you can see in the topic, it is how to install the BlueJ in your system. So I decided on to make this video just because my upcoming videos will be on Java and Java programming related. So let's begin. Yeah, so very first step that we need to do in terms of installing BlueJ is you have to go to your web browser, Chrome or whatever you are using, and then you have to search for BlueJ. Once search result will appear, you have to go to the very first link and you will be redirected to the BlueJ website. There you'll see the different download option for BlueJ setup file, one for Windows, then for Mac OS, and then for Ubuntu and others. So let's say if you're using Windows, that is very popular and most of you are using that only. So just click on that and it will start downloading the setup file for Windows. So I won't do it just because I have already downloaded the setup file for my Windows. So just click on that and it will start installing. So I'll install it. Okay, next, and then next. Okay, you have to give the path. If you want to change it, you can change it accordingly. Okay, and then install. So it will take a while for installing. So let's skip to the part where I have this BlueJ installed to my system, and then we'll move forward with that. Yeah, so now I have my BlueJ installed to my system. So if you have checked the desktop icon button while installing, you'll have the desktop icon and you can start it by double clicking here. Okay, or you can search it by going to the start menu. So let's wait while our BlueJ starts. Okay, so now our BlueJ start with a new window. So let me tell you how we start with a BlueJ program or a Java program in BlueJ. So first of all, we have to create a new project. So let's say my first project. Okay, so when you'll click OK, your first project will be made to the described path. Okay, let's say just for the understanding, a project is always a superset of a class. So a project can have multiple class. So let's create a class, make it hello world, and here in this class we'll write our very first program for hello world. Okay, so when you'll open this class, you'll have lots of options and written things in the comments explaining how to write your first program, but that you will be learning other anyways. So let me paste my hello world program here. So now with our first hello world program, so what we'll do is we'll write class, the name of the class, public static void main string args for taking argument, and then system.out.print hello world. So this statement will print the hello world into your screen. Okay, so let's compile it. Compile basically means checking for the errors. So let's compile it. So if there would be any errors, it would be shown here at the below. See, there is no syntax error right now. So what we can do is we can close this and we can run our program now. Okay, so for running it, you have to click here and then click void main string args, just because that is only the main method that we have in our program. Then okay, it will run for a while, and in your output option or output window, it will give you hello world. So that is the result of our program, if you remember. See, so that's it for the today. Please don't forget to give your comments and the feedback for the video, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.